In terms of how you're seeing the data space at the moment, what are some of the key trends really shaping how the world is really operating today?
I think, well, the main challenges that data leaders have today is trusting the validity and the accuracy of data. I think the data ecosystem is increasingly complex. I think a lot of vendors are looking at tool consolidation. And I think being able to trust the accuracy and the validity of data in visualization tools, whether that's Tableau or BI, or whether it be like a Snowflake migration, trusting the validity and accuracy of data is increasingly complex. So I think what companies are looking at now is being able to find a solution that ensures the accuracy and throughout their entire ecosystem. That's end to end, all the way from your ingestion to your visualization tools. So yeah.
And what are some of the key challenges that data leaders are really facing today, and what are some of the ways that they could overcome some of those obstacles?
I think it's really determining data governance is really the key thing. I think, unfortunately, when companies build a homegrown solution, when they leave, there's a technical debt that's left behind. So I think being able to maintain a kind of center of excellence, maintaining good, clean code within every sprint, everything like that can ensure that obviously companies are well equipped for the debt that's left behind when very highly technical data specialists obviously leave or move on, which inevitably happens. So.
Yeah, that makes sense. And obviously you mentioned there about governance. Looking kind of forward to the next sort of 12 to 18 months, how are you really seeing the regulatory landscape developing? And what should companies keep in mind?
In terms of particularly the financial services space, I think we're looking at increasingly a quagmire of regulations coming through from the FCA, which means that companies have to be much more responsible for the quality of data within their ecosystem. Companies increasingly are incurring very heavy fines for things like data leaks, for data breaches. I think it's something that companies have to take extremely seriously and something that they have to move towards much more clear practices when doing so.